order to get a forest resource license, we needed a consuming mill. So the only mill that was directly in the area was Nakina Mill. So we initiated negotiations, and after a couple of years, we eventually did sign a working agreement. We got an agreement where we have a substantial amount of percentage of First Nations to work in the mill. We can put these communities together, bring out their employables, and have them trained and retain their employment.
Well, I think the working committee, it deals with real life situations, right? It doesn't segregate a specific group, but it deals with everyone's challenges, right? And I think the committee is very sensitive to that, and I think it'll make a lot more successful employees for us.
If they require counseling or anything like that that might hinder their employment, well, the committee is there to work out ways for them to continue working and retain their job. And we just try to find ways to make a smooth transition from complete unemployment before now to employment.
As a liaison officer, I help out the employees at the mill. They're struggling with different challenges, and I try to help them out and make the workplace comfortable for the employees.
I think that with the working group and the working committee, it allows membership and employees, current employees, to have that say and be a part of something. They have a voice at that table, and it allows communication, and at least they're able to be heard.
It's nice to be able to touch base and get everybody else's opinions on things. There's different perspectives, obviously, with the Agoke board, Nakina Lumber, the employees themselves. Everybody comes together, and we seem to make up a game plan to make things easier for the workplace and for the workers themselves.
I get to answer questions that the other workers have and make them understand clearly of what's going on and what's going to happen.
What I like about the facility and the opportunities that we've had is being able to adapt and move people around to fit in the position that they feel comfortable with.
You hear time and time again that there's a vast amount of employable indigenous members out there, so they are the biggest age group coming up. So again, I think the opportunity is there, and just the willingness to work is something that we need to support more on.
The great thing about this facility, there's something for everybody, right? So from every different skill level and the opportunity to move, being in a startup position, that there's still lots of room to grow. So whatever goals are set for the individual, we try to get up in there. I think this facility is great, especially being in the location it's at. It's in the backyard of the northern communities, right? And whether we're a stepping stone for them to succeed somewhere else, that's great.
I was living in a city, and I just decided it was closer to home. That way then it wasn't really a home away from my family. Now, sort of happy now that I'm working closer to home. People just need to step up or try, make an effort. And you're looking for work, you feel like working, come apply in Nakina.